I'm going to share with you a life-changing software that will help you to create financial freedom for yourself and also your family. And guess what? It's totally free. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create your life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in today's video, I will share with you a life-changing software that will help you with your online journey and building a successful business, an online business where you can start affiliated marketing, where you can sell your own products, where you can build websites for yourself or for others. So let's get into it and let me show you how this software can actually help you in creating that life that you want with your family. And guess what? It's totally free, and I will show you everything now in this video. So let's get started and let me show you. So what you want to do first is click the link below, and it will take you to the Groovefunnels sales page, where you can get your free account. And you can see here you don't even need a credit card to sign up. They don't take any payments from you. It's totally free. It's free for life. As you can see here below, you can create 3 full websites. You can sell unlimited products, and that is digital products or even physical products. You don't have to sell your own products. You can sell other people's products as well. You can also then create attractive affiliates, and you can actually do a lot more with this software. So what you want to do firstly is that you want to go to get started, and as you can see on your left hand side, you can see all the things that you can do with this software and what the benefits and the features are. So you get a lot with this free software. And I mean, what is actually stopping you for signing up? I mean, it's free. You don't have to sign up with a credit card. You don't have to pay anything. They don't even market to you again. All you do is you sign up with your name, your surname, your email address, username, password, and then confirm your password and get access. The reason I won't be signing up now at this moment, I'm going to show you in the next video. I actually opt into the pro account, the premium account, and I will show you different features with the premium account. But this one is the free account, and this is all the things that you can get with the free account. So all you need to do is click the link below and then go straight to this page, sign up, and then try it out to see if it's something that would work for you. You can see here, free for life. And it's a very powerful funnel builder. You can actually do a lot, and you can read through this page on your own and then just sign up. Just take the leap of faith and try it out. If it doesn't work for you, just close your account. They're not going to charge you anything for it. You can also make money from it by promoting this product as well and becoming an affiliate for this program. And this is a very hot system or software at the moment, and everybody is jumping on the bandwagon to sign up to the free account or even the premium account or the pro account. So look through this page, go through this page. Let me see. Yeah, go through this page, sign up, and then get started right away. So I want to share with you a few things. So the few questions that you might have is that who is this system or software for? The software is for people that want to create an online business, a business where it comes to affiliated marketing. You want to sell your own products. You want to build landing pages for yourself or your own product or even other people's products or other businesses' products. You can even be an agent for other businesses and then promote their products or create sales funnels and create landing pages for them and then build their email list. You can also do drop shipping with the software. So you probably might have heard of Shopify. This is exactly like Shopify as well, where you can create your own online store and then sell print on demand. You can sell like any physical products, or you can sell stuff from Alibaba Express and then ship it to your customer, and you'll make a profit and you can get paid through PayPal. It's quite easy. There's also training, so you're not alone. There's training that's given to you by Groovefunnel, and you can check out their YouTube, the YouTube channel, and it's called Groove Digital, where they would show you how to create a landing page, how to create a website, and everything, how to set up everything. But it's quite easy. It's very beginner friendly. So you want to get started and jump on this opportunity. Be an action taker. Take action before it's too late, because a lot of times we look at system and we think that they're going to charge us. That's why we don't want to sign up, but they're not going to charge you anything. The link that's in my description is an affiliated link, and it's my link. If you click on it and you sign up through my link, I will send you extra bonuses once you sign up for your free account. And the bonuses is just a gift from me to you to help you on your online journey. And with this extra bonuses, you will actually then learn a few things about online business and how to run a successful online business. So go to that link or click the link in the description and head over, sign up. It will cost you nothing. So just sign up, see if you can build a business. You can build a side business, you can build a business, and just get some extra income. In this time, it's very difficult for all of us. There's a lot of people that's maybe lost their jobs, and there's people that's suffering. But you can make a difference for yourself and your family. So take the leap of faith and just get started. So I want to thank you for watching this video. So if this video was helpful for you, please click the like button, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel, because I will have a lot more content on different types of software that you can use for affiliated marketing. I will also talk about life. I will also talk about fitness as well, and I will share with you things that will actually improve your life and that to help you to create that life of abundance. So I want to say thank you and be blessed. Create the success that you want. Until next time, goodbye and cheerio.